Qigong for beginners. Simple exercises that relieve stress and help the body heal. Seek approval from medical professionals before starting any exercise program. We recommend that you watch this video fully from start to end to familiarize yourself with the movements and to get a feel for the 5-phase routine Qigong framework. This will let you get more from this practice by enjoying it more, closing your eyes, relaxing deeper, down-regulating your nervous system, and even shifting your brainwave state. Nothing will surprise you or take you out of the moment. The mood is more important than the moves. After experiencing multiple healing crises, I searched for ways that others had improved their lives after suffering from chronic illnesses. I found Qigong, simple techniques to combat stress and help the body heal. I practice it every day, sometimes multiple times a day. It is short, it is easy, and it has improved every area of my life. After many years of practicing daily, I became a Qigong and Tai Chi instructor. I made this video in this beautiful setting to share my practice of Qigong with you. Just follow along and practice with me. Relax and enjoy your practice. Let's get started. Come to an upright seated position. Feet hip width apart. Sit upright with the back straight. Adjust so that your back isn't leaning against the chair back, unless, to be safe, you need to wedge yourself all the way back. Get comfortable. Sit upright with your hands in your lap or by your side. Float the top of your head, lengthening your spine. Exhale through the mouth, a sigh of relief, making a ha sound. Relax from head to toe, all the muscles of the face, the throat, the chest, all the muscles of the stomach, back of the head, neck, and shoulders. Move if you need to throw away tension. Relax all the muscles of the back, from the upper back to the lower back. Relax your hips, glutes, thighs, back of the knees, calves, shins. Let your hands rest on your lap. Inhale, float. Exhale, sink into your sit bones. Enjoy your breathing. Let the joy fill you up inside and blossom out as you smile from the heart. Smile, smile from the heart. Let go of any remaining tension with a sigh of relief. Our first dynamic Qigong exercise will be lifting the sky. Comfortably rotate your wrists so the fingers of both hands point in towards each other. Arms are straight, not locked. Raise your hands overhead and press up like you're lifting the sky. Let your hands float back down by your sides. Reset your hands and inhale as you lift your arms. Press up and exhale back down. Pause your breathing naturally at the bottom and at the top. Even with your eyes closed, your head follows your hands. Pause your breathing, resetting your hands. Inhale up, pause and press, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Enjoy your breathing. Enjoy the movement. The mood is more important than the moves. Breathing in as you press up, breathing out as your arms float back down. Inhale up, exhale down. Lifting the sky. Inhale up, exhale down. Don't worry about anything. Forget the movement. Just let it flow. Enjoy your practice. As your hands float down by your sides for the last time, we transition into lifting sun and moon. Palms up as you lift them up along the sides of the body to chest level. Palms down as they float back down. Elbows back as you lift. Neck and shoulders relaxed. Inhale up. Exhale down. Breathing in as you lift your palms. Breathing out as they float back down. Lifting sun and moon. The sun in one hand, the moon in the other. Inhaling up and exhaling down. Breathing in, breathing out. Lifting up, floating back down. Lifting sun and moon, an exercise to itself, is also the first step of several techniques that we will be performing today. Lifting sun and moon to chest level, rotate the palms to the front and press out. Arms are straight but not locked. Lift the fingertips up and pull back the palms beside your chest. Lower the palms and push out again. Breathing in, pull back, open up the chest. Breathing out, push out. Inhale back, exhale out. Inhale, exhale. Breathing in, pulling back. Breathing out, pushing out. One elliptical movement without start or end. On this last push out, we want to hold our hands out, fingertips to the sky. Relax the shoulders, relax the neck, turn the palms up to the sky, holding sun and moon, and pull sun and moon back to chest level and hold sun and moon. And then we drop the palms by our sides. Next exercise, again lifting sun and moon to chest level, rotating the palms and pressing out. Rotate the wrists so the fingers point in comfortably. Relax the neck and shoulders, open up the arms and the chest. Then move the fingers back towards each other. Opening up the chest, breathe in, closing the circle, breathe out. Separating water. Breathe in, opening the chest. Breathe out, returning to the start. Inhale, separating water. Exhale, returning to start. Breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. Relax the neck and shoulders. And if you feel tension, just slough it all off and then start over again. Lifting sun and moon, pressing out, separating water, breathing in, breathing out. Separating water. Our next exercise is going to put all these movements together. It's called lifting spirit. Let your hands float down beside your body, lifting sun and moon. Inhale up. Exhale as you push out. Turn your fingertips in, inhale up and press, and then exhale down. Inhale up, exhale out. Inhale up, exhale down. Breathe in as your hands float up. Breathe out as you push out. Inhale as you press up, exhale as you drift down. Lifting spirit, aptly named. This exercise improves your mood and lifts your spirit. Continue on, enjoying the movement, enjoying the breathing, lifting spirit. The next exercise will be butterfly dances in front of flowers. One last repetition of lifting spirit, and as your arms float down, bend forward softly, your arms coming with you. Inhale. Exhale as you straighten up and bend backwards, arms coming with you. Inhale, forward bend. Exhale, bending backwards. The arms following the movement of the body like a butterfly dancing in front of flowers. Inhale down, exhale up. Inhale down, exhale up. Let go. Let your energy flow as we forget about the movement and move into flowing breeze, swaying willow. Your body moving however it needs to move to release any remaining tension in the body. Letting go, but not losing control, staying seated. And then we let the movement wind down as we place our attention at our lower dantian, returning our hands to our lap, straightening up and enjoying the stillness. Enjoying the silence. Be here now. Building a cocoon of solitude. Like you're wrapping a blanket around yourself, reach down, grab an edge, and pull it up around your shoulders. Then the other side. Your hands wrapped around you like you're giving yourself a big hug. Enjoy your breathing. You can move your hands to relax your neck and shoulders. Dissolve. Enjoy the sanctuary that you have built. If you know where the kidney and liver points are, underneath the collarbone, you can hold those. You can take turns holding those points, breathing in and holding acupoints. But that is to only help you go deeper, enjoy more, release more. So holding points is not necessary. Just enjoy your cocoon of silence, the sanctuary that you've built. Dissolve. When you're ready to come out, keep your eyes closed. Come out gently and slowly. Rub your hands briskly together, making heat Place your warm palms over your eyes. Blink, 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 allowing light in. Then lift your palms, allowing even more light in. Dry wash your face. Then rub your ears in between your fingers and your thumbs. Rub every surface of your ear, every nerve bundle and acupoint. Self-applied massage to the ears. Next, massage the acupoints around the eye, circling the index fingers along the inner corner of the eye, inner corner of the eyebrow, swiping across from inside to outside, stopping at the point right above the pupils, then the outside corner of the eyebrow, down to the outside corner of the eye, swiping underneath the eyes, coming back underneath the pupils, back to the inner corner of the eye, then down the ridge of the nose, swiping down the base of the nose, the points, the divots at the bottom of the nose, and then behind the ears. And then the palms around the temples. Then making a vacuum, drumming the fingers on the acupoints on the base of the skull 24 times. Thank you so much for joining me in this practice.